All right, I'm doing a video shout out to convenient water heaters and plumbing for doing such a fantastic job on my house. Oh, never mind the decor. We are testing this baby here. Well, they already did. I'm just playing with it. Anyway, um, so the way you play with this guy, this is a hot and cold water spigot. Um, as Jesus explained to me, these things prevent the the spigot from freezing. So it is gold. I thought it was silver. Oh well. I guess they come in one color, and that's okay. Um, but the baby is great. So here is where you turn it on, right? I don't hear any water, but yeah, okay, I hear it now. No? Turn it hot or cold, or fill it out to you want it lukewarm. So we go over here to the hose and and ooh, oh yeah, look at this. Oh, oh, oh yeah, oh yeah, works great. Oh, it's raining. Well, good job, guys. Thank you very much.